Skincare Chronicles.
You look so hard, but you can't see enough. Just find it and take it, don't ever regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let go.
Hey beautiful people, welcome to Life with Nokubongah Mkhabela, which happens to be me. So as you might have seen already by the thumbnail, I am going to be showing you how I do dermaplaning at home. So dermaplaning is a process whereby you remove or shave off hair from your face and dead skin, leaving your face very glowy, and it does show result very instantly, and also it allows easy penetration of products to the skin. So first things first, I am going to be going in with the Himalaya detoxifying charcoal face wash today because I need my face extra clean today, as I do not want to be spreading unnecessary bacteria since I'm going to be using a razor blade as I'm about to shave. If you're going to be doing this process, I do recommend that you do it during the night so that your skin cannot be exposed to sunlight, or you apply a ton of sunscreen if you're going to be doing it during the day. So I went off and rinsed off the face wash and then went straight to applying coconut oil directly to the skin as I'm about to shave. I love using coconut oil for shaving because it is kind of smooth. So I am going to be using these razor blades. I did get them from Takealot. I will leave the link on the description box. So as you're shaving, make sure that you are your skin is kind of tightened. As you can see, I don't know how to explain this, but make sure your skin is kind of tightened, and then you shave in the opposite direction of your hairs. I'm not sure if I'm explaining that correctly, but so do make sure to use a clean razor blade to make sure you do not spread bacteria. If you have active acne, I do not recommend that you do this process because again it's gonna be spreading unnecessary bacteria. So as you can see, this is the hairs and the whatnot. So I'm gonna be going in with the Dr. Shaw face wash. I love this face wash. It is very smoothing, very gentle to the skin, and as you can see, I am steaming meanwhile. So this just calms my face. I don't know how I can explain it, but it just keeps my face calm. So this is how my skin already looks like even before applying my skincare routine products. So it is very beautiful already. So as usual, it's my night skincare routine. So I am going in with the Portia M toner. I so love this toner. It is very refreshing. It is very balancing to the skin. It is just very good. So after then, I'm going in with another toner. This is the Dr. Rachel vitamin C toner. I also love this toner, but the thing with this toner is that it is more of the serum form. It is also good, and I like the brightening part of it because it kind of matches my neck color with my face color, because that is the problem that I have been having. So I'm also in love with it. And then going in with the Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum. It is very smoothing to the face. It just makes the face feel so different. Like it just gives that extra moisture, extra hydration to the skin. Like it has been a holy grail for this winter. I'm then going in with the vitamin C Dr. Rachel face cream. Like I've been using these products for a few months now, especially now in winter. I think I did review the night cream, I think about 4 or 5 months back, but yeah, it is very good. It is very creamy, and I'm so in love with it, especially now that it is winter. So not forgetting my fave, because the fact that I have shaved is like my skin need even extra moisture. So I went in also with the oil, because yeah, it's also another product which gives moisture to my skin. So now I had to buy a new roller because I lost the first one, and yeah, girl needs it. It just gives my face refreshment. It relaxes my face. It just makes my skin feel so relaxed. You know, that massage it gives. It just massage the skin, and yeah, it's just that. I really don't have much to explain in terms of the roller. It's just massage. It makes blood circulation, and yeah, I guess this is the end of the video. So thank you for watching. I hope you do learn something, and yeah, take something from the video. And yeah, so my lips were kind of dry, so I just had to exfoliate them. So thank you for watching. Bye.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over